Now, moving on, Delivery launches a sub-2-hour delivery service for brands enabling faster order deliveries to consumers. The logistics provider introduces Rapid Commerce in Bengaluru, where it already processes over 300 orders daily, showcasing strong early demand. The company plans to expand its network of shared in-city rapid stores to other metro cities, including Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Chennai, Delhi, NCR, Mumbai, and others in the coming months. This 2-hour delivery service caters to brands across various categories such as beauty and personal care, apparel and fashion, electronics and accessories. Now, viewers, the government has approved the formation of 8 Pay Commission. Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw has further mentioned the formation of 8 Pay Commission is awaited by the central government employees and pensioners. The last pay panel, which was the 7th Pay Commission, was formed by Manmohan Singh-led government in February 2014. Its recommendations were implemented by the government from January 2016 onwards. Listen in from the announcement. Okay, so viewers, India has joined the club of autonomous in-space docking after the Indian Space Research Organization, or ISRO, successfully docked its SpaceX satellites. Space Docking Experiment, or SpaceX, is an achievement. It positions India alongside the United States, Russia and China in mastering this critical space technology. This achievement sets the stage for future missions like Chandrayaan-4 and Gaganyaan. Viewers, Bollywood actor Saif Ali Khan received multiple injuries after an intruder attacked him with a knife during an alleged burglary attempt at his residence in Mumbai in the early hours of Thursday. NDTV's Abira joins us from the location to tell us about the actor's health condition.
So, the doctors have said that he had a major injury to the thoracospinal cord due to the lodged knife in the spine. The surgery was performed to remove the knife and repair the leaking spinal fluid. So that was the major surgery. Neurosurgeon, the top neurosurgeon of Lilavati, was there performing the surgery. Post that, there were 2 other wounds that had to be taken care of. That is a deep wound in the hand and neck, which was taken over by the plastic surgeons. After that, all the procedures, when they were over, he was shifted out of the OT to the ICU, and now he is in the road of recovery. He has been kept under observation, like the doctors said, and we do not know when he will be discharged for now, because these are serious injuries. But now he is stable and doing well. I just spoke to an eyewitness who refused to come on camera, who was here, who has a patient in Lilavati, and he said that when in the night when Saif Ali Khan walked in with his, he came down of an auto and he was with his son Ibrahim, and they walked into the hospital. There was blood all over his body. He was holding his stomach from one side, which was bleeding profusely, and he was immediately rushed to the emergency. That's all he could see. He couldn't give me more details about anything else, but he said we were there in the hospital lobby and we saw him coming in. That's what one of the eyewitnesses said at Lilavati Hospital. This is what happened last night around 3 o'clock.